The equation of any straight line called a linear equation can be written in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So itong m, ito yung slope, yung tinatawag na slope. And then yung b, and yung y-intercept. Yung y-intercept, yun yung value of y at the point where the line crosses the y-axis. The graph of the linear equation when the slope is 0, the line is horizontal and parallel to x. So kapag yung slope ay 0, yung line ay horizontal at parallel sa x, parang ganito. Yan. Ganyan yung itsura niya kapag ang slope ay 0. It means hindi siya tumataas o bumababa. Kapag positive naman, the line rises from left to right. Pag ganyan yung slide niya. So mula sa left, tataas siya papunta sa right. Kapag negative naman, yung line falls from left to right. So kanina, rise from left to right. Ngayon, falls naman. So pababa. So mula sa left, pababa siya papunta sa right. Kapag negative. Kapag undefined, o yun yung divide mo sa 0, so the line is vertical and parallel to y. So ganyan. So kanina kapag 0, parallel sa x tapos horizontal. Pero kapag undefined, parallel sa y at vertical. The graph of the linear equation whose slope with a greater absolute value is steeper than the other. An example, y is equal to 5x plus 2 at y is equal to 2x minus 3. So, alin kaya dyan sa dalawa ang mas steeper? So, para malaman natin, kunin natin yung slope niya. So, nakatanda nyo yung form na y is equal to mx plus b, kung saan yung m ay yung slope. So, napapansin nyo, ganun din yung form niya. So, sa una, ang slope niya ay 5. Lagyan natin 5. Pangalawa, 2. So, ano ulit yung definition ng steeper kanina? The graph of linear equation whose slope with a greater absolute value is steeper than the other. So, kunin natin yung absolute value nila. Ito, 5. Ang absolute value nito ay, kunin natin yung absolute value, ay 5. Ito, absolute value nito, 2. So, alin dyan yung mas mataas? 5 or 2? Siyempre yung 5. Mas steeper tong y is equal to 5x plus 2 kaysa sa y is equal to 2x minus 3. How about dito? Y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 6 and y is equal to 2 over 6x minus 1. So, ano ng slope dito sa una? So, 3/4. Sa pangalawa, 2 over 6. So, absolute value nitong dalawa, ganyan din. Sa alin ang mas mataas? 3/4 o 2 over 6? So, kung di nyo alam, i-divide nyo lang. So, 3 divided by 4, that is 0.75. Ito is 0.75. How about 2 over 6? Divide nyo lang. 2 divided by 6, that is 0.3333 or 0.33 na lang. So, alin ang mas mataas? 0.75 o 0.33? Siyempre yung 0.75. Mas steeper yung 3 over 4x plus 6 kaysa sa 2 over 6x minus 1. How about this? Y is equal to negative 4x plus 2 and y is equal to 2x. So, una, ano yung slope niya? Negative 4. Sa pangalawa, 2. Then, kunin natin yung absolute value niya. Itong negative 4 magiging positive 4. Itong positive 2, siyempre, positive 2 pa rin yan. So, alin ang mas mataas? 4 or 2? Siyempre yung 4. So, anong mas steeper? Y is equal to negative 4x plus 2. Next, 3x minus y is equal to 9 and 5 plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, una, gawin muna natin siya sa form na y is equal to mx plus b. So, ito, yung 3x, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, negative y equals to positive 3x magiging negative 3x plus 9. Negative y yan, so palitan natin yung sign. So, y is equal to negative 3x magiging positive 3x. Positive 9 magiging negative 9. Next ko. Itong 5x saka 5, lipat natin sa kabila. So, ito ay magiging negative 2y equals to positive 5x magiging negative 5x. 5 magiging negative 5. I may negative 2 pa dyan. So, divide both sides by negative 2. Cancel na yan. So, y is equal to negative 5 divided by negative 2. So, may magiging positive 5 over 2. Then, may x. Then, itong negative 5 divided by negative 2, may positive 5 over 2. Okay, so ano yung slope nila? So, dito, ano yung slope? That is 3. How about dito? 5 over 2. So, alin ang mas mataas? 3 or 5 over 2? Siyempre yung 3. Bakit? Kasi yung 5 over 2, yan ay 2.5. So, mas steeper yung 3x minus y equals to 9.